Hello students. Today I am going to discuss about OOP. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming Language and it is a part of our chapter 4 programming languages. So what is OOP? OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. Oriented programming is a programming language model organized around objects, which is based on object actually. There are many languages which are based on object-oriented programming, that is C++, Simula, and Smalltalk, and there are many more languages. So object-oriented programming is a programming language model organized around object. So what is object? First we have to discuss what is class. A class is a group of objects. We can create number of objects when we have a class. We can create number of object when we have a class. An object is an identifiable entity. Actually, a object is a blueprint of a class with some characteristics and behavior. There are some basic concepts of OOP or object oriented programming, that is abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. What is abstraction? Actually, abstraction means the act of presenting what is important without including the background details. The act of presenting essential details only without including the background details, that is abstraction. And encapsulation is an act of wrapping up of data. It is a act of wrapping up of data into a single unit called class. Next is inheritance. As we all aware of the word inheritance. Inheritance is a process by which object of one class acquire the properties of the object of another class. Actually, in simple words, inheritance means the assets that an individual an inheritance may contain, or it is a process which involves the passing on of material property from one generation to another, usually within the family. It is the process which involves the passing on of material property from one generation to another, usually within the family, generally from older parents to their adult children. In the same way, in computer programming, inheritance is the process by which object of one class acquire the property of the objects of another class, that is inheritance. Next we have polymorphism. Polymorphism is the capacity to allow objects having different internal structures to share the same external interface. In simple words, polymorphism is an important concept of object-oriented programming. It simply means more than one form. That is, the same entity behaves differently in different scenarios. Object-oriented programming has several advantages. First is OOP is faster and easier to execute. It is easier to maintain and modify. OOP makes the code easier to maintain and modify and debug also. It helps to create a reusable application with less code and shorter development time.